Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei MatePad M5 Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings and then navigate all the way down to System. From here, select Reset and then Reset Tablet. This will bring up a list of different data that will be removed by this process. Now the ones that actually matter will be things like music, photos, and user data. If you keep anything like that locally on this device and you want to preserve it, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, if you don't, obviously this data will be removed and this cannot be undone, so just be aware of that. Now I'm not planning to do any kind of backup, so I'm going to jump straight to Reset the Tablet, and does give me the option to back it up right here, but I will point out that I believe this is a backup to the Huawei cloud. So if, for instance, you want to back it up and then restore this backup on other device that is not a Huawei device, you won't be able to. So just want to point that out. Anyway, I'm going to select now Reset Tablet once more, which will begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take probably a couple of minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So anyway, I'm going to let this run through and come back once it's finished. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.